My name is Jessica Tanner, and I'm a second-year doctoral student in clinical psychology at Lakehead University in Thunder Bay, Ontario. I'm a member of a lab group called the Health, Hormones, and Behaviour Lab, and our research in the lab spans from women's reproductive health to mood disorders to problem gambling research. I'm interested in problem gambling research that focuses on the underlying cognitions or beliefs that play a role in maintaining problem gambling, but which also occur in recreational or non-problem gamblers. I'm also very interested in the concept of harm reduction in gambling. My dissertation research will include a brief educational session to compare older and younger adults, and will examine the effects on problem gambling behavior, consequences, and gambling beliefs at 1 month and 3 month follow-up. Within my professional career, I'm also training to work with older adults as clientele, and so it's only natural for me that my work with older adults would extend into my research with problem gambling. In research, it's not only important to find a worthwhile topic, but to find something that you have a passion for, and I have a passion for researching gambling and aging. I'll be running gambling information sessions that are aimed at dispelling myths or irrational beliefs about gambling. Some individuals will receive information through a video designed as a self-help tool, and other individuals will receive an interactive session that uses a program to promote responsible gambling. It's hoped that by learning correct information about gambling, gamblers will have fewer irrational beliefs, less problematic gambling behaviors, and reduce negative consequences from gambling. This project will not only dispel myths about gambling, but will also encourage safer gambling practices, such as setting limits on gambling expenditure and time. Furthermore, it will teach people about the signs of problem gambling so that they can learn to recognize their own problem gambling behaviors. For older adults, it may be more difficult to earn back lost wagers through non-gambling means, such as taking extra shifts or working longer hours. My research will therefore look at whether computer-based responsible gambling tools are just as effective with those from older generations as it is with younger ones, or whether our harm reduction approach to problem gambling with older adults needs to be modified for the later life gambling experience. KTE will be incorporated at all stages of my research. Within these first stages, I've been in contact with the Responsible Gambling Council to ensure that I incorporate any questions that they might have within my research design. The RGC is a key stakeholder within my research since I'm using their interactive program. Knowledge will be translated into plain language for study participants who wish to receive a newsletter with findings from the project, and findings will also be presented in formal write-up for scientific conferences and publication in peer-reviewed journals to ensure that other researchers in the gambling field have access to the knowledge generated by the current study. Gamblers within the general public will also be targeted through knowledge translation to media and social media. Research is not something that you can accomplish alone, and it takes good supervisors, collaborators, and funding organizations that come together for a common purpose. And in this case, that common purpose is to reduce harm from gambling in older adults.